Specifi Cloud permits to manage areas and item numbering before the insertion of equipment. In this way, all the equipment can be automatically numbered upon insertion and assigned to the right area. If you want to activate this functionality, you have to go to Main Settings and under Numbering. Okay, here you can activate auto number equipment upon insertion and also update position number when equipment be moved. Also, you can change the equipment tag family. In this case, for example, you can use no shape if you want just the number without any shape. Otherwise, you have different type of shape, or you can also load your custom shape, loading your custom DWG block to represent the tag number. Well, I can press OK now, and as you can see, now the shape disappear, and we just have the item number without any shape. Well, now we can start creating the area. The area command is available in number position, but you can find also a dedicated command here in Identify section of Specifi ribbon. I can click here, Area, and the software asks to identify the new area, assigning the code of the area. For example, I can use a letter, a number, or for example, here I want to type PR, and for preparation area, as you can see, there is the list here. You can open the drop-down list in order to find the right area to assign. It's also possible if you want to manage this list directly using this button, and clicking over there, you can open the list of all the available areas. Here you can add new areas, you can edit the areas, and you can also delete the areas from the list. In this case, you can also type directly the description of the area you want directly inside this field. Once you have filled out this code and description, you can press OK button, and the software asks you to identify, to draw the shape where the equipment have been inserted. In this case, it's like to work with the AutoCAD polyline command. For instance, I can start, for example, from this point. You can help you with a quick O-snap. Okay, and you can go there. After that, I can go to this point, and I can draw my shape. It's like using a AutoCAD polyline. So I can go down to that point. After that, I can use the perpendicular point, and at the end, I can use close option to close the polyline. As you can see, the area has been created. Okay, and now also its label has been added. If you want to move the label, you can use Pick Style, and then you can select and use the grip in the middle, okay, just to move the label to the right position. Remember to re-click again Pick Style to come back to the previous. Okay, now we can repeat the command, so area again, and we can use the same method just to number also the second area. We can create also the dishwashing area, so I can use DW as code. Again, here I can also add the word area. Okay, I can use again quick O-snap. I can start from this point, and after I can use perpendicular to that point. I can move down to that point. to there, and then C or click close to close the area. Again, pick style, select the text, just the label, and put the label at the right position. And we can continue also for the remaining area. So pick style again, area, cooking area, and at the end, I can press C to close. Pick style, select the label, and move the label there. We can do the same also for refrigeration and can start from here to there. And close. And I can repeat for the last. So in this way now, if we number the equipment, all the equipment will be automatically assigned to the area. Another area is missing here, the storage. So we can also run again. The storage area. And close. And that's it.